If you want to know how to section cornrow, I mean how to part the hair and also how to make cornrow, I'm going to show you two types of the way to make it. First of all, brush your hair just the way I did brush this hair now, and you put your comb straight. And when you are sectioning it, which is when you are parting the hair, don't take it down. You're gonna stop halfway. Just follow my hand the way I did this. So first of all, you put your comb like this and you start from where you stop and you do it this way. You see, you're not going to take it down, because if you take it down from this first, you just section it to the end of the hair. Some of your hair will get to the down and some will hang. So to prevent it from hanging, that is why you have to stop halfway. So just follow it the way I do it now. You see, I'm going to use comb to remove little part from here. So this is where you stop the first one. And the second one, you're going to hang it. You're going to also take it just a little bit down. Don't let it be down completely. This way, all your hair will drop by the time you finish. So we are done with the pattern. I'm just going to go ahead and line it, and before I will maintain the part. So this is how you start sectioning it first. Later you can maintain the part, but first you have to get the pattern. After getting the pattern very well, then apply your edge control or your conditioner, whatever you are using to maintain your hair, then before you start clearing the part. So this now, I'm going to weave this this first one, I'm going to weave it straight, and the second one, I'm going to weave it like it will look like I'm weaving the hair one side. There's this hair that is raining was raining a while ago, I can say some time ago, where you have to just you're kind of pull very big hair brush on the hair. Just keep watching and see what I'm trying to explain, because what I just start now, I don't think it make any sense, but just keep watching to know what I'm about to I was trying to say. So this very one now, you see where I started it in the middle. Yes, not if you want to do this line straight, you start in the middle, not at the edge. So you see the way it is so fine, and the way I'm holding it now, it might look tight, but it's not tight at all because of the way I am picking it. So after this part, you see this one now is very straight, and the second one I'm going to do it kind of pushing the hair down. Just watch, follow my hand, so you see so you will see what I'm trying to explain. All right. Did you see it right now? You see that the hair drop. So you're going to see the second one is going to be the same length with the first one. That's because I stopped it that place. So I'm just going to go ahead and section the second part the same way I did the first one, but this one will go down a little bit more than the first one, but I will not take it down completely. So just watch and see where I stop. You see, this is where I stopped the first one, and this is where I'm going to be stopping the second one. Do you understand the way I'm explaining it now? Just follow my hand and see how I'm doing it.
Every shadow turns to light. Little
Now I started the weaving the same way, but if you look at it, I push my hand down a little, not in the middle. So the more I'm weaving it, the more I'm kind of pushing my hand down, so I can get it. I can get exactly what I'm trying to explain. You see that the hair is one side, like where I'm weaving is down and there's brush up. So this is what I don't know if I'm making sense with my explanation, but this is what I'm trying to explain. So in case The reason why I make it like this, in case you are trying to do something like this, it's more final when you make it very big, when you make the hair very big and you have to make it brush and you end it that way. It's so fine. So, but I decided to just add this one to it because I wanted to actually make one cornrow, and then I decided that okay, let me just add this one to it in case someone who know how to make cornrow already, but you don't know how to push your hair down, so you can get it this way. I hope you understand the way I make this one now, which is the second one. So this is how we go. So look at the length. You see, they are all the same. This is what I was saying. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and share. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.